Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, LUNC coin burning average in a single day is about 192 million coins of Terra Classic coin. Now, with this rate, Terra Classic can burn up to 5.5 billion coins in a month. Okay, now for me, I think burning 5.5 billion coins in a month will result to about 66 billion burn in 1 year. Imagine Terra Classic the whole year, in the whole 365 days, burning just 66 billion coins out of the 5.8 trillion coins. Wow. Now, LUNC coin needs to increase. They need to increase by 1000% burning rate in a single day. That is this 192 or 195 million coins. We need to hit at least 2 billion burn. 2 billion coins of LUNC coin being destroyed in a single day will help Terra Classic at least to keep rising more faster than it is. 2 billion burn in a day is about 60 billion burn in 1 month, and 60 billion burn in 1 month will result to 720 billion burn in 1 year. It's not even up to 1 trillion. So LUNC need about almost 7 to 8 years in order to burn out the 5.8 or 6 trillion coins they have as supply. Now, with these statistics, you will discover that it will be difficult for Terra Classic coin to reach 1 penny. It will be difficult for Terra Classic coin to delete 1 or 2 zeros. So Terra Classic would need almost 8 years, even though if they are burning 2 billion coins in a single day. You see that right now LUNC is not even burning anything closer to this number. So how long will it take Terra Classic to destroy all the coins they have? How long will it take Terra Classic to burn at least 98-99% supply they have? You see, Terra Classic is one of the coins they need to plan well on how to get this right. Because for me, LUNC still remains one of the best coins, but the supply they have is really affecting Terra Classic coin. Terra Classic circulating supply is really affecting LUNC coin. So I believe if they can hit up to 10 billion burn in a day, that is when we start talking about 300 billion burn in a month. That is when we start talking about 3.6 trillion burn in 1 year. Definitely in 1.5 years or in 2 years, Terra Classic will definitely burn out the majority or 99.8 or 99% of their supply. That dream, once it's achieved, Terra Classic can reach $1 to $10 price. Well, let's hope for the best, and I pray the burning of Terra Classic will keep increasing every day by day. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please cannot do your own research before taking any decision.